Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to join guilds in Archero 2 game. But in order to join the guilds, first of all, you need to unlock this function in the game, guys. So to unlock the guilds in the game, you need to complete the first 5 chapters. As you can see, when you finish the 5th chapter, you will unlock the guilds in the game, guys. As you can see, about the start button, on the right side you see the guild button. So this is the guilds. So first of all, you need to unlock the guilds, and once you will unlock it, then you need to click it, and right here you will see the random list of the guilds, guys. So to join the guilds, you can do a few things, guys. You can just enter the guild name or ID in the search, guys, if you want to join the specific guild, or you can just look at the random guilds right here. You can refresh it, you will see other list, guys, and you can apply. Also, there is an auto join button in the bottom, guys. If you want to join the guild automatically, you need to click this button, or you can create your own guild, guys. Just click this green button right here, and it costs 500 gems. So you can create your own guild in the game. That's how you can join guilds in Archero 2. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.